Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share Canva presentation link. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, first of all, just go on top right corner and click on share. And here, as you can see, copy link. Just copy this link and click on allow view access, and anyone will be able to see this link. Now, if you want to share a view only link, just click on this drop down arrow and select can view, but if you want to share the link with editing access, again click on it and click on can edit. Now just click on copy link and you can share this link with anyone. As you can see, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.